Hey love bugs, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ashley for tuning in for the first time. And you guys already know when you see RPG show in the title and you see the thumbnail, this is going to be a banger. What I love about this wig is that it is beautiful. We got the curtain bangs going, we got the color, we got the curls. It came literally ready to go. This is literally like a two-step thing. You cut the lace off, brush her out, the little wig brush, and you are good to go. You'll see some fun things I'll do just to, give it my own personality. I'm going to trim the bang just a little bit just because literally, when you don't have anything to do with the wig, it makes you want to do more and go all out. But you'll see how easy and ready to wear this wig came. The color, the curl, everything about this one literally was ready to go. And more importantly than anything, it is 100% glueless. So you guys know in the YouTube world, when we say glueless, sometimes it's a bit of a catfish. We'll use like a glueless adhesive and bond it down where it's not glue, but it's still bonded down. This one is 100% bond down free. You'll see how I blend the sides down with my own sideburns. So again, it's a frontal, but we don't have to use glue, adhesive, none of that at all. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into the video.
Look. I'm too cool for the rules, baby, get off of me. Never need no push, I do it all for me. Keep a couple real hitters, got them on call for me. Money moving, got it in the market where it ought to be. Too true for the flex, baby, don't cap to me. Drop 50, bring 150 right back to me. Keep a couple real hitters, got them on call for me. Money moving, got it in the market where it ought to be. Look, Papa don't preach, teachers don't teach, niggas gon' reach, that's facts. I ain't worried about none of that shit, I'm making that cash stack. Bunch of O's like NASCAR, but it's really more like NASDAQ. Why they thinking that they hot shit when they really more like ass crack? Quarter on me like a referee, niggas hating what they'll never be. Small top with a big bottom, yeah, shorty shaped like a letter D. Let her have it, then I let her be. If you love it, gotta let it grow. Crazy cause you really...
Only the real, stay isolated. Only the real, harder this shit cause I'm ISO deal. Shine on these hoes, ice gold grills. Been in that house, yeah, I might go chill. Rather stay in cause I hate them fell. Link with the bros, yeah, I might call Lil. Yo, what's next? Only time gon' tell. Last few years, yeah, been unreal. Whoa, staying to ourselves cause it's better what you mean. Yeah, we was quarantined way before quarantine. Trapped inside the basement till the sky started to gleam. Yeah, I'm stepping with the Gazas, it's gon' boost your self-esteem. Staying to ourselves cause it's better what you mean. We was quarantined way before quarantine. Yeah, trapped inside the basement till the sky started to gleam. And I'm stepping with the Gazas, it's gon' boost your self-esteem. Hey, I be isolated. Only real ones with me. That's just how I did. Ay, no, you cannot get in. It's a reservation. I set it for the team. RSVP. Ay, I be isolated. We done elevated. Where we supposed to be. Ay, my current situation ain't my final destination. That's just how I see it. Only the real stay isolated. Only the real stay isolated. Only the real stay isolated. Only the real stay isolated.
Yeah, only the real forget how they feel. It's me and Dill. Hey, we in the stool, we working on his.
Breathe in some love and let yourself unfold. Breathe in some love and let yourself unfold. You're so much deeper when you quit playing charades. Yeah. You act so cool, but underneath you seem afraid. There's something sweet about your eyes when you feel safe. Yeah. But you keep running away. Owe it to yourself today. Just try to open up and show someone you care. It might not be intentional, but you seem scared. Just try to open up and let it lead somewhere. Breathe in some love and let yourself unfold. Breathe in some love and let yourself unfold. juvenile about your pretty face, but it seems so hard for you to know when you need space. I hope you find your peace and that you get a taste with yourself. Oh, yeah.
Ayy, poppin' like I'm supposed to. Watch out for the people that ain't close to. Speak a little something you could toast to. I ain't tryna hear about what you won't do. Moving like I'm into. Hit the ground running like the rent do. Speak a little something that you're into. I ain't tryna hear about what you been through. Like hold up, say what's the hold up. I got the pack, who got the roll up? I'm tryna pull up. It seem like every time I show up, it gotta go up. See the drip, they see the glow up. Oh, now they know us. See, it's funny how my pockets out of shape, but I fit for the flex. Clear the phone.
Okay, love bugs, I think we did a thing and we slayed this look. And more importantly, this is a glueless install. So we did minimal work to catch the vibe and we have a winner. Now you guys know my current favorite wig, which and you guys know if you watch my videos, the last wig I did with RPGSHOW was a curtain bang wig, and you guys loved that one so much. Hands down, one of my favorite wigs from the company, even to date, like literally my favorite wig. So we ran it back with the curtain bang. I think it looks so good on me, but this time we did it in color. This is the package that the wig came in. You guys already know the deal. They do provide you with a dust bag, and this one has a really beautiful soft quality. It's not the satin that, you know, most companies typically will do. I can't tell you exactly what it is, but it's almost like suede. It just feels so butter soft. And of course it has their logo on it. Also, we got some brown wig caps for a beautiful brownie like myself. And then we also have the dust bag, and you guys know they have the most quality, most premium dust bags you ever did see. It does have their logo up top and it zips, so it's almost like a garment bag. Well, it is like a hair garment bag. You guys know when you go shopping and you get your pieces, you're ready to wear pieces from your favorite high-end brands. They give you a high-end garment bag, and this is exactly what you get with the wig. They also offered me some edge tamer. I didn't use it today because I didn't even think about it. And then they also gave me a cute little note. So what I love about this wig is that it is absolutely 100% a ready to wear wig. I did play with it and finesse and just touch up the curls. It wasn't necessary. You guys kind of seen the before and after. It was already, you know, super voluminous and had beautiful curls in it. I wanted to kind of just play with it a little bit, but literally you needed to do nothing to achieve this look. Even the lace from the beginning was good to go. So any and everything I did was pretty much just me being bored and wanted to just play in the wig. You could literally just cut the lace and brush it out and you were good to go. So you need no glue, you need no gel, no glueless adhesive, none of that. It is literally ready to go. And the icing on the cake is that this one does include the invisible lace, which means you really don't need baby hair or anything to camouflage the lace because it's gonna work out all on its own. I highly recommend this wig. As I mentioned, if you don't want color, the last one of the last videos I did with them was a curtain bang wig, and it was more in a natural brown color. So I highly recommend you get both, to be honest. This one is perfect for the summer, the warmer seasons, even the fall. You can slay with this one. You guys know I'm a California girl, so when people talk about seasons, I literally can't relate. We wear things year around here. We don't have like a summer wardrobe and a fall wardrobe where we change out our closet. Unless you just have a minimal small closet, we wear things year around because it's warm all year around. So this will be a go-to staple for me. Be sure to check the description box for a link to this one as well as the details. If you want to know the dimensions, the length, and all that, you can find everything about this wig there. Thank you guys so much. Before you head out, go ahead and subscribe and like this video. Giving me a thumbs up will let me know that you guys love this company, love this hair, and you are loving the hair tutorials. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches!